Okay, with the tank still removed, it'll be easy to get at the plug to remove the high beam and turn signal switch. So we'll start by lifting the dust cover to get to the two plugs. So the wiring for the headlight, high beam, and turn signal is just under this dust cover here. It's the two black plugs, so we'll go ahead and unplug those. There's a 2-wire and a 9-wire. There's a clip on the frame. A wire tie around the fork. Two screws from the bottom. And unplug the clutch safety switch. Place your dust cover back, make sure your wires are well routed properly.